program to bring you an important news bulletin. The Tasmanian Devil is still at large.
You're telling me.
An extremely rare and valuable animal, a $5,000 reward has been offered for its capture.
$5,000?
That's right, 5,000 bucks.
I may be a craven little coward, but I'm a greedy craven little coward. I just gotta have that 5 G's.
Flash, according to zookeeper Burton, this brute becomes docile when exposed to music.
Music? Where am I gonna get music?
We now continue our program of dance music.
Tasmanian Devil! Here, Taz boy! Come get your nice little juicy duck dinner! Come, Taz! That's the boy, Tazzy. Come and hear the pretty music. Just follow Papa, you beautiful $5,000 baggy-eyed slob. What a cinch. 5,000 bucks for a 10-mile hike. Sakes, I wish they'd hurry.
Package for Daffy Duck.
Thank you, my good man.